Hi, welcome to Virtual CB1A. This is Miss Rena. And for today's video discussion, we are going to talk about parallel lines and transversals. So our goal for this video lesson is to be acquainted with the properties of parallel lines. So before, alam nyo na kung ano ang ibig sabihin ng transversal, di ba? Now, kung meron tayong dalawang parallel line, dalawang parallel line. We have line M and line N. M is parallel with N. And then there is a transversal P. Yan. So, meron tayong transversal P. Makakabuo tayo ng mga special na angle pairs. Yung mga angle pairs na diniscuss natin before, if you still remember corresponding, consecutive, alternate interior, alternate exterior, yung mga yan, lalagyan na natin ng mga definition, yung mga angles na mabubuo nila. Again, this is only applicable for parallel lines, okay? Hindi lahat ng corresponding angles, just like this, ay congruent. It is only applicable to parallel lines. So, for postulate number 15, corresponding angles postulate, if you have two parallel lines cut by a transversal, the corresponding angles are congruent. So, 1 and 2 are congruent. Tapos, quick discussion lang tayo dun sa iba pang mga angle pairs. Alternate interior angles from parallel lines cut by a transversal, again, congruent. Consecutive interior angles cut by a transversal, supplementary. So, angle 5, angle 6, consecutive interior angles, ang measurement nila ay equal sa 180 when combined. Alternate exterior angle, 7 and 8, again, congruent. Perpendicular transversal, ito. So, meron tayong parallel lines, H and K. And we have a transversal J. J is perpendicular to H. Since H and K are parallel, J is also perpendicular to K. Okay? Okay. Now, let's use the postulates and theorem that we studied earlier in proving the alternate interior angles theorem. So, prove the alternate interior angles theorem. We have the given that P and Q are congruent. We have to prove that 1 and 2 are congruent. So, ang given natin, syempre, P and Q. Next. But meron ditong 3? Okay. And what is the relationship of 3 with 1 and 2? So, here, si 3, it is corresponding with 1. Since it is corresponding with 1, we know that angle 1 is congruent to angle 3. Tapos, na-discuss natin earlier, hindi pala earlier, a long time ago, yung idea ng vertical angles. So, if you have non-adjacent angles sharing a common vertex and pair of sides, then the two angles are vertical and they are congruent. So, si 3 ay congruent kay 2. Gamitan natin siya ng transitive. Si 1 ay congruent kay 3, si 3 ay congruent kay 2, so si 1 ay congruent kay 2. Transitive property of congruence. Tapos, ganun lang siya kasimple. Next. Oh my God. Pagod na ako. Next. Using properties of parallel lines, tell which postulate ano ba yan? Ayaw niyo makisama. Ayan. Using properties of parallel lines, given that the measurement of angle 5 is equal to 65, find each measure, tell which postulate or theorem you use. Para may thrill, sagutin natin siya sa kabila. Si 5, ang measurement niya is 65 degrees. Si A, measurement of angle 6 is equal to, of course, 65 degrees din. Anong ginamit nating idea? So, because they are vertical angles, next, measurement of angle 7. So, ano si 5 at si 7? So, 5 and 7 are a linear pair. So, measurement of angle 7 is equal to 180 degrees minus the measurement of angle 5. Eh, ang measurement nga ni angle 5 is 65 degrees, right? So, kuha kayo ng calcu. 180 minus 65. Talagang kinalculator ko na siya. Sorry naglalag na kasi yung utak ko. So, hindi na ako nag-e-effort mag-mental math. Yan, meron tayong 115 degrees. Ano yung ginamit nating idea dito? Kahit hindi nyo naduksungan ng postulate or theorem, tatanggapin ko na yan. Okay lang sa akin. So, dito, we made use of linear pair postulate. Right? Kung gusto nyo siyang gawing super complicated, pwede rin naman, nahanapan nyo na relationship si 5, tsaka si 8, tapos saka nyo i-relate si 8 with 6, tapos saka nyo i-relate si 6 with 7. But, always look for the obvious ones. Yung very minimal lang yung gagamitin na details. Dito, measurement of angle 5 ang given, so lagi natin gagamitin si measurement of angle 5 if possible. Letter C, measurement of angle 8. Measurement of angle 8 is equal to the measurement of angle 5 din, which is equal to 65 degrees. Why? They are corresponding angles. So, by the use of the theorem on postulate on corresponding angles. Corresponding angles postulate. Next, 9. So, measurement of angle 9, ano yung relationship niya with 5? Meron ba? Wala directly. Wala siyang relationship directly. But it has a relationship with the measurement of angle 8, right? So, measurement of angle 9 is equal to 180 degrees minus the measurement of angle 8. Since we know that the measurement of angle 8 is equal to the measurement of angle 5, we have 180 degrees minus measurement of angle 5 ang gagamitin natin. That is 180 degrees minus 65 degrees. Mukha na ba siyang familiar? Yes, kasi ginamit din natin siya dito. So, this is one possible solution. So, you are going to make use of linear pair, postulate, at saka corresponding. Isa to sa mga pwedeng gamitin. Is there a simpler or shorter method for solving this? Yes. Since we already know the measurement of angle 7, measurement of angle 7 is equal to the measurement of angle 9. And measurement of angle 7 is equal to 118 degrees. Therefore, measurement of angle 9 is equal to 115 degrees as well. Why? 7 and 9 are alternate exterior angles. Okay? Okay. So, for letter D, meron tayong dalawang solution na inilagay. One is through the use of linear pair and corresponding, and the other is the shorter one, which made use of the alternate exterior angle, na na-derive din natin from the linear pair. It is up to you as long as you are not violating any rules in geometry, any postulate, any theorem, you're good to go. Be creative on solving problems such as this. Okay, okay, okay. Classifying leaves. Application daw sa botany. Some plants are classified by the arrangement of the veins in their leaves. In the diagram of the leaf, so meron tayong perpendicular lines J and K. What is the measurement of angle 1? If the measurement of angle, ito, wala siyang pangalan, is 120. Ano measurement ni angle 1? So, ano yung relationship ni 120 degrees with angle 1? Sila ay what? Consecutive interior angles, right? So, if you want to... nawala. Layo. Wait lang ah. Saglit, saglit, saglit lang. Ayan. Ayan, consecutive interior angles. So, ang consecutive interior angles, ang sum nila is 180 degrees or consecutive interior angles or supplementary. So, if the given angle is 120, then its consecutive interior angle is 60 degrees. 120 plus 60 is 180. Okay? Okay. Let's continue. Properties of special pairs of angles. Yan, gagamit na tayo ng x. Gagamit na tayo ng mga variables. Exciting na siya. Dito, hindi ko nalalagay yung yung reason for every outline of the solution. Banggitin ko na lang para hindi sayang yung oras natin. On your exam, di ko naman kayo hahanapan ng reason for outlines such as this, except when I am asking you for proof. Pero pagka ganito na magsasolve lang ng missing variable, hindi ako maghahanap ng reason. Yan. Use properties of parallel lines to find the value of x. What do we know about angle 4? Meron tayong given dito na 125. So, angle 4 is equal to 125 degrees. Why? They are corresponding angles. O, hindi ko na sinulat, ha? Next, measurement of angle 4 plus x plus 15 degrees is equal to 180 degrees. Ano yung reason natin dito? Linear pair postulate. Substitute natin 125 degrees plus x plus 15 degrees is equal to 180 degrees. Combine like terms tayo. 125 plus 15. 540. 140 degrees plus x is equal to 180 degrees. Addition property of equality or subtraction property of equality, no matter what terminology you want to use, okay lang sa akin. So, we are going to have 180 minus 140. Giving us x is equal to 40 degrees. Okay? So, we know that this is 125. Now, let's check kung ano yung measurement nito. Ang hinahanap natin ay value ni x. 40 siya. This should be 55 degrees. Now, let's check whether this is really 55 degrees. 125 plus 55 must be equal to 180. Is it equal to 180? Yes. So, our solution here, x is equal to 40, is correct. Okay? Okay. Now, let's continue with the discussion, with the lesson. Estimating Earth's circumference. Ang tawag dito? Nag-discuss tayo before ng circumference ng circle, right? And it is equal to 2 pi r. Just to remember. Sana natatandaan nyo pa. So, history connection. Eratosthenes was a Greek scholar. Over 2,000 years ago, he estimated Earth's circumference by using the fact that the sun's rays are parallel. Eratosthenes chose a day when the sun shone exactly down a vertical well in Cyan at noon. On that day, he measured the angle the sun's rays made with a vertical stick in Alexandria at noon. He discovered that measurement nitong angle 2, yung stick na inirect niya, at saka yung shadow na nakast, is approximately equal to 1 over 50 of a circle. By using properties of parallel lines, he knew that measurement of angle 1. So, kung i-extend mo to, itong yellow na line, this is one parallel line. And then, yung inirect niya na stick, when you extend it, intersecting line 2 and line 1, it will serve as a transversal. So, angle 2 is consecutive interior angles with angle 1. It is also 1 over 50 of a circle. So, at the time, the distance from Cyan to Alexandria was believed to be 575 miles. So, 1 over 50 of a circle is equal to 575 miles divided by Earth's circumference. So, Earth's circumference is approximately equal to, so yung ginagawa natin before, baka malito kayo dito sa part na to, so isusulat ko siya dito sa kabila. Ayan. Pababa ng pababa tong pagpe-paste ko. So, ito ay pwede ring isulat as 50 over 1 is approximately equal to, ginagawa natin to sa law of sines before. Babaliktarin mo yung numerator and denominator of one side. Baliktarin mo rin yung numerator at denominator on the other side. If you are going to reciprocate, get the reciprocal of one side, get the reciprocal of the other side as well. They will still be equal. So, para makuha natin yung measurement ng Earth's circumference, so 50 na lang to, di ba? Pwedeng tanggalin na natin si 1 kasi 50 na lang siya. Multiply both sides by 575 miles. 575 miles. So, 575 miles times 50 is approximately equal to Earth's 2 pi r circumference. Yan, kasi tamad na ako magsulat. Which is approximately equal to 29,000 miles daw. So, how did Eratosthenes know that the measurement of angle 1 is equal to measurement of angle 2? Na-explain ko na siya kanina. Pag ito ay in-extend mo, itong dalawa, line 1 and line 2, And also the stick you erected, if you extend it as well, you will have a transversal. So, yan. Okay. Hindi ko na siya i-explain isa-isa. Hopefully, this is the last for that section. Kasi gusto ko na siya i-cut at this point. Mm-hmm. Okay, so cut ko na siya at this point, and then next time, we are going to talk about proving lines are parallel, okay? Thank you for listening, and see you next time. Bye-bye.